Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is March the 7th and the chart of the day for today is Alibaba, BABA here, 30 minutes time frame. Now we can see we have broken again. It finally get some life. I mean, it's been sort of dormant for many years, but then lately it has started to rally quite nicely. And currently, as you can see, we ended with 4 here, 126, and now within with 5. Now within with 5, we think we can still extend higher. Okay, we still can extend higher within with 5 as long as we stay above this 126. So as long as we the pullback stays above 126, then we can still see upside extension in the stock, right? And if I zoom out now to give you some idea where we are during the weekly time frame and focusing on the blue 3 and 4, so that's your 3 and 4 here, and that is your 1 and 2. Okay, and then you have yet another sort of you can consider this as another 1 2 if you want, or AB, it doesn't matter actually. You can, if you're bearish, it's going to be AB. If you're bullish, it's going to be 1 2, right? 1 or A. This is 2 or B. Now I tend to think that that's your 1 and 2, because if you look at this, I doubt we're going to be, because if it's ABC, and that means after the conclusion of the C, you're going to sell off and break below 60. But then if you measure 100% extension, it doesn't make sense. It goes to negative 106. So we are running out of space on the downside. So it's more likely that we are actually starting a bigger rally. But in any case, if you look at this rally 1 2 here, and then this is your 3 4. So you notice here that if you look at the size of the 1 and size of the 3, then you can argue that the 5 is still way too short to finish. In other words, if I look at the 1 hour, I could have, if I want to, call this, upgrade this 1 2 3 4 5 and call it complete if I want to. That's the alternate, which is possible. But I think it's less likely to call it that way, because again I think that means that your wave 5 will be too short to finish. So there's also another possibility here, to be honest, whereby actually this is only your 3 and this is a 4. Now if that's the case, then we can, so okay, let me adjust again here. So we could technically be doing this 1 2 3 4, and we just rally again from here 5, and that will be ending the 1. Now that's also possible. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then do yet another 3 waves like this before higher again. But the idea is not so much into whether this, you know, whether the idea is, again, if you look at the weekly, if this is the 1, this is the 3, 5 is too short to finish. So as long as we stay above 126, we can see more upside. And in terms of how it plays out, then I present to you two possible options. One is what we are presenting here, 3 waves pullback and then higher. Another possibility is we just go higher from here and probably still gonna be ending 5 of 1 like this before we got yet another bigger 3 waves pullback, then higher again regardless, right? So those are the two possible paths in the shorter cycle, but either way, as long as we stay above 126, we can still see extension to the upside. All right, so that's the update today, guys. As always, if you want to get more update, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.